Hello world! A vocal comping workflow has long been a requested feature of Ableton, and maybe one day something will come along. But if you're looking for a simple vocal comping solution right now, without having to buy yet more software, Studio One Prime might be the ideal solution for you. Let's get started. For those of you who haven't heard the term before, comping is the process of recording multiple takes of an instrument or vocal and selecting the best parts from each take to create a beautiful lead take.
It's so beautiful!
Of course, you can record multiple takes in Ableton and then splice together pieces from each take, but nothing beats proper built-in comping tools. Using the Prime edition of Studio One for your vocal sessions gives you this ability for free. You also get the added benefit of separate recording and device processing in Studio One for easy low-latency recording, and adding the extra step of exporting out your instrumental into a separate vocal recording session helps free up CPU, and it removes the temptation to tweak the instruments so you can focus purely on vocal recording. So let's see it in action. First, start by exporting the instrumental from your main DAW, in this case Ableton, and take a note of the BPM. Close that session, open up Studio One, and create the new vocal session inside the same project folder to keep everything tidy and together. Match the sample rate to what you have set in your main DAW. Select 32-bit resolution, match the BPM to your instrumental, and hit OK. To add the instrumental track, simply drag in the file you just exported. For the vocal track, right-click to create a new blank audio track and arm it. Set the loop brace for the vocal part by hovering above the time bar until you see the pencil icon. Click and drag. And finally, set up for vocal comping by clicking the record panel at the bottom, the one with the cog icon, and enable takes to layers. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that. Back to the studio. As we can see, Studio One has automatically split the vocal take into separate layers, with the final take automatically promoted as the lead take. Comping is now as simple as just clicking and dragging the section in each layer that you like the most, and it automatically gets promoted. You can even set up hotkeys to quickly audition and switch the same section from each take. And that's all there is to it. Once you're done comping, you can hide away the old takes by clicking the Expand Layers button. And the full takes are always there, ready for you if you decide to switch anything later on. To finish up, simply export the lead vocal stem into the main project folder. Select 32-bit resolution, match the sample rate to what you have set in your main DAW, and hit OK. Finally, load back up the main project in your usual DAW of choice, and drag in your lovely comped vocal stem. In case you need them, I've posted a couple of short quick start videos below that help me to get started on Studio One. I might even create a short Studio One for Ableton users video guide at some point, if there's enough interest. Comment below if you'd like that. Click.